Hey, it's mail time on Trains Are Fun. Oh, we're so excited. We got a surprise package from Jody Smith. Don't have any idea what's in here. Love the way that this was packaged. But before we get to that most exciting package, I do need to mention that we left a few of our wooden trains out of the last video. How could I forget Percy? Well, all of the Percy locomotives I have were all together, and I forgot to go through my Percy box to get the rest of the Percy, so these are the ones that we missed in the last video. There's that rolling whistle one, the Jack Frost one, this little, what is this one? Percy with streamers, old Percy, another Percy. This is a racing Percy. And how could I forget Murdoch and Stepney? And of course this weird looking Rosie, learning curve Rosie. So we left all of those out of the last video, and if there's any others, please let me know. But I wanted to get the table cleared off, so we got all the wooden stuff off of there, so we can find out what's in this. I don't know what's in it, so let's get to it and find out. All right, I got the cutters, and if you don't know, Jody also watches Tsar. We're on Trains Are Fun right now. That's the mailman, Carl. All right, so I covered up her address. Don't want anybody to know that. My address is on the About page. It's a P.O. box, so no big deal there. I'm going to open it from the bottom, but I want to be very careful not to cut anything that's in there. Maybe better to open it from the top, but I don't want to mess up all the artwork. She took screenshots. There's Celebration Thomas. There's another, I can't even, is it Thomas? And that's when we did the autism video. All right, so I covered up the address there, kind of made it fit with the kind of the theme that she had going on there. Just really awesome. All right, here we go. It's exciting getting surprises in the mail. Whoa. Whoa. What? Are you kidding me? Well, that is amazing. It's a remote control. Sorry, get my arm in front of there. This is the 70th anniversary Lionel Happy Birthday Thomas. Only produced between 2015 and is no longer produced anymore. It is very rare. Very rare. All right, here it is. This is totally unprecedented. It says, hi, I just wanted to send you a little something that is not little. Sorry, Jody, that's not little, that's big. A little something from me to you, as I know this is very awesome and will be a welcome addition to your Thomas and Friends collection. Hope you enjoy this, from your friend and subscriber, Jody Smith. And P.S. Trains are fun always. P.S. again, this is a 70th anniversary Lionel. Awesome. Nice little printing there. Trains are fun. Wow. All right, so this is, I had no idea what was going to be in there. So this is the O scale. It looks like it's never been opened. Man. How do I open it? So that is what it looks like. Festive streamers. Interesting. I wonder if the remote for this is different than the regular Thomas one. Also got a hat and a spare traction tire. I think those what those are. Yeah, it's got traction tires on one side. So let's get some O-scale track and test this out. So I actually had not planned on doing any O-scale videos for a while, so I have everything packed away behind the paint. You know, I hate painting. So let me get some O-skill. I think it's in the box in the bottom. Oh boy. Okay, we got it on the track. We got some tracks set up here. We got an original Thomas with, well, he's got his face. And then we got the one that Jody just sent us. I noticed this has the little Wi-Fi signal on it, but this one doesn't. Here's the remote. The light comes on. Here's the owner's manual. It shows both versions of Thomas. So I'm thinking the same remote will control both of them. We're going to find out, because if you've seen videos I've done on this channel and previously before we even started this channel over on Briggs R Toys, the very first one of these that we got and the others that we got after it, we had problems with the remotes on all of them for the Thomas. Not with Percy or James or Diesel, just Tom at the time. So I think they had a defective batch of remotes, but this one is clearly good. It's working. I bought 3 Thomases. All had defective remotes. Alright, so here we go. We're going to try it out. First we'll do the sounds. And it's working. Now we're going to see if the remote controls the original Thomas. Let's see what happens. Oh no, it doesn't. They are separate. Wow. So I will need to get the working remote that I have for that. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Having trouble with this remote. This one works fine. Okay, so I'm still having problems with the remotes. I think I got one of the other defective ones. Actually, I found 2 remotes. So I imagine these are the 2 defective ones. But this one works for this train. Alright, we've given them some cargo. Wait a minute, turn it on. Uh-oh! Whoa, that could be dangerous. Stop, Thomas. There we go. Now let's try it. Got to show the back of the engine there. Surprise from Sodor! And since every day is a good day here at Trains Are Fun, we've changed this to a happy day. A happy day, Thomas. Just put some paper over it. No big deal. Well, I really want to thank Jody. This is just totally unexpected. The face looked the same. Yeah, pretty much the same. It's just amazing. And this one actually works as opposed to the ones that I have. Oh, it's the remote controls. I know it's not the locomotives, so I gotta find the working remote. I put it in a box separately, I think, because it's the one that works. But nice. This is just an incredible. I can't believe. I mean, I can't believe that she sent this. I mean, it's just. I don't know what to say. I mean, this is an exclusive item, and I appreciate her thinking of me and Trains Are Fun and watching our videos and watching Brigzar as well. Just means a lot. Jody, thank you very much. From now on, we will refer to this as the Happy Day Thomas, the one that actually works. So, again, Jody Smith, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. A nice addition to our O scale collection. And again, I don't know what to say. It's really awesome. I think I got it working now. Which one's which? Get the batteries out of there. Nice.